Okay, this will be my first installment in what is undoubtedly going to be a tedious and boring series of me yammering. I'm going to make them short and do them in little pieces so you can stop and get a beer and wait a couple of days before the next one. And I wish I could cite all the references, but it's real applicable to the stuff that's going on now and makes a lot of sense to me. Your reaction will either be, that's interesting and I want to learn more, or duh, everybody knew that, or it'll be what a crackpot. Probably though, your reaction will be based on what we're going to be talking about. This first one just about how people have historically thought, kind of interacted in the world around us, thinking about it from a survival standpoint. Think about ancient man, pre tool user or early tool user. We build a model of the world based on our experience. We take in a whole lot of data. Things happen real fast. You don't really have time to go, there's something running toward me. I haven't seen one of those before. It looks kind of like something that ate my friend the other day. I wonder, is it dangerous, or should I do something about it, or what? No. We build models based on our experience and go, that's similar to instant reaction without having to really think about it too much. Like you stick your hand in the fire, it burns you. Your world model becomes fire is hot. There's nothing wrong with that. Just because you saw somebody stick their hand in a fire and not get burned or not act like they were burned doesn't mean that you should change that model just based on that one little data point. And of course, you're going to be short-lived if you don't build that world model in your head and go, I don't have to touch that. I think it's hot, and all of that has good survival value. And the more you reinforce it, the stronger that model becomes. The more examples you get of things going well for you or going badly for you, the stronger it reinforces your belief that things that are similar to this are good or bad. And that's great, because again, you don't have time to sort it all out all the time in that environment. It's how we function. It's how you have enough brain power left to go learn something else, because you're not constantly going, brand new world, what's going on? And so the more things that you see it that reinforce it, the better. The stronger the model becomes, even if it's not entirely correct. If you see something or encounter something or experience something that totally contradicts the model that you have built, even if it's true and your model needs to be readjusted to match reality, when you see something that really doesn't fit it, it's actually frightening. There's a gut reaction of fear, because your survival mechanism, you begin to doubt, well, gosh, is the earth just going to come up and swallow me because my model of the world is wrong? It's the reason that supernatural things are scary. Horror movies are scary. If there's ghosts, then how do I protect myself? It's kind of natural to build those models, use them, and to resist them being changed, and also to be frightened if they change.